SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2022 adds features and horsepower to solve more complex problems with greater ease. This plastic cover is bolted to two hoist hooks on either side of the hatch. Since it has an symmetric design, both a right and a left-handed version are required for the Nemo submarine. We start by adding material for the plastic injection analysis. The material database is key to any plastic simulation, and this year we've added over 100 new material models and updated over 1500 materials to improve fill, pack and warp accuracy. For this part, we'll choose a Delrin material. The new injection location advisor gives immediate feedback on where to place the injection points. It even automatically solves the optimum pull direction based on your geometry. But for this model, we've decided to go with a sketch-based runner. Using the updated and simplified runner tool, just click the sketch segment and choose the dimensions. The new Flip Dimensions button makes it easier to build your custom runners. And now there's no need to define the number of elements for each segment, it's computed automatically. We need a family mould to create cavities for both right and left-handed components. In Plastics 2022, we can use the new symmetry bounding condition. This will create a virtual opposite-handed cavity in one step. Simply click on the plane that cuts through the sprue and the new cavity and associated runners are created. But what if you need a family mould with multiple cavities of the same part? The new cyclic boundary condition allows us to create virtual cavities in a circular pattern. Just click the center sprue sketch line and the number of cavities that you want and you're done. And of course, if you choose to model your runner system using solid geometry, both the symmetry and cyclic boundary conditions can be used. When it comes time to solve the analysis, the new Run button is only a click away from the top of the tree. And when analysing your fill, pack, cool and warp studies, turning on the symmetry option allows you to visualise the full virtual cavity. SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2022 combines additional functionality, simpler pre-processing and powerful automation to get accurate plastic injection simulation results faster. So in summary, we have seen new symmetry boundary conditions, cyclic boundary conditions, sketch-based runner updates, new injection location advisor, expanded material database, and added run from the top of the tree.